Hey my YouTube viewers, welcome to the lecture. In this lecture I am going to show you how to change Facebook profile URL or Facebook username. So without any further delay, let's get started. For that reason you have to go setting option. I am clicking here, then choose setting. Now please follow general account settings. Here you will get username options. At the time you have to click edit option. Look, this is my Facebook username, or you can say Facebook profile URL name. Right now my Facebook profile URL is facebook.com/nafiulalam9. You just put your username in this box. Just delete it and write your username as you want. After writing we have to click save changes. Actually right now I don't want to change, that's why I click cancel. Finally I am going to my profile, that's why I click here. Look at, this is my Facebook profile URL that I already changed. So I hope you can get all the points. Thank you very much for staying with me. See you in the next lecture. So stay connected for your best result.